Hey guys, welcome back to Code Like a Pro. In this video, we'll make our own words per minute or WPM calculator. So let's get started. First, we will import time. From time, we will import time. Next, we will print. Press enter to start typing or break a new line. Next we will print. I have a spelling mistake here. This will be press. Yes. Press enter, and then we're going to do the same thing. So press enter twice to finish typing. Next we'll make an input statement, and this is going to be a bunch of dashes. And then you can be like start equals to time. Next we can be like text equals to, and then we'll just leave it empty. Then we'll be like while true, line equals to input. If not, line break. Next we will be like text dot append line. So after this, what we'll do is we will make another end variable. So it will be end equals to time, like this, and then we are gonna print a bunch of dashes. Next, after that, we'll be like elapsed time equals to end and start divided by 60. This should be outside, yes, divided by 60. And then we'll be like characters count equals to sum of length and item, and outside this we'll be like for item in text we'll be like words count equals to characters count divided by 5. Next we'll be like WPM equals to round words count divided by elapsed time, and then we'll like print don't forget to put F before, so your average words per minute we'll just give a brackets WPM was, then we will be like this, and then we'll give the WPM, and it should work. So if I run this, I'll just press enter and I'll be like hi, and if I press enter twice, as you can see, it gives us your average words per minute. WPM was 8. So it works. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. This is quite a simple project and very fun and very short. So this is it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye.